Hello everybody, and today we have a wonderful opportunity to visit Villa Green. Now this residency has 17 villas, all built in a modern high-tech style. Now this is a great residency because all the villas here are brand new and it's near the ocean. Right now I'll show you the insides, what it looks. The price for these villas keeps on growing steadily. About 2 years ago, these villas cost about $400,000 to $450,000 a piece. Now the price is even higher. However, this is very highly prized real estate. And I'll explain to you why. Let's go have a look, shall we? So, why is Villa Green called Villa Green? The residency itself is located near a golf course, and all of them have access to the golfing field, plus it's very peaceful and quiet here. Now the units here are 1-story and 2-story, plus each one of them comes with a beautiful surrounding territory that is very green. This particular unit is a 1-story unit, and in my personal opinion, I think this is the perfect fit for a family with small children. And here I'll show you guys the territory. It's like I said, it's very peaceful and quiet here. Have a lot of greenery all around you. From this side here, we have access to the golf course. And as far as you can see, there are more villas. And like I said, you can hear there's no noise here. It's very quiet here. And right here to our right, nothing will be built here because this is a green ecological zone. So in my opinion, this is the perfect place to rest, to relax. That's one. And two, it's very close to the ocean. The ocean is within a 5-minute walk, so keep that in mind. Plus, the construction and the work itself is fabulous. And this property is considered one of the best properties in Las Terrenas. And these villas are highly sought after, and they're constantly being rent out, and they're almost never for sale. Like during Semana Santo, one unit went up for $800 per night. Now this particular unit is up for sale. There are no offers. This is the only villa that is up for sale in this residency. Now here in front of us we have a separate room, a bungalow, if you might want to think of it as such. So let's have a look inside. Now it's kind of messy in here. It hasn't been cleaned up in here because it was up for rent recently. So here you have your separate bed, you have air conditioning, you have an air fan, and you also have a full bathroom. So this is more of like a guest bedroom, guest house. You know, if you ever have any guests over, they have their own little private area where they can rest and relax. As you can see, the interior design is modern, the plumbing, all the communications, all top-notch, all brand new. So like I said, ideal place for a guest bedroom. Plus, it's fully autonomous from the house. It's not connected to it. So, perfect for guests. So let's keep on going. Now we have villas that have 4 bedrooms. Some have 3, but this one is very compact. Perfect for a small family. Ideally, 2 grown adults, 1 small child, or 2 grown adults and 2 small children. And here we have some water right here on the steps. I think it's a very interesting design. And here to our left we have one of the bedrooms. Here we have a pretty big bed with a lovely interior design. And look at this majestic view right here. I mean, imagine just lying in the bed, looking out, seeing all this gorgeous scenery. Now let's have a look at the bathroom and see its layout, how it's designed. Now, there's a lot of natural light in here. It's very light. And here we have our toilet. Here we have our closet, our mirrors, and it's very bright in here, and I think this is a very good idea and design feature because it's very bright, a lot of light in here. And I must add that all the villas were designed this way. And also right here we have a window that doubles down as a door that has access to the backyard. Now, I really like this. I would personally love to live here. However, this specific property is considered a luxury property. And a little bit later, I'll tell you all the price for this unit. So, like I said before, these villas are a highly prized commodity, especially considering their layout and what you can do with them. Here you can have your rest zone. This is just a great spot right here. So that was it. That was the whole villa. Now the price for this villa is, including all the technical stuff and the furniture, $650,000 US.